Hey guys, welcome to Poor Man Mods. Us short kings, when trying to get something out of the bed of a truck, sometimes we just can't reach. We are a little bit too short. And this is a stock ride height truck. If this thing was lifted, I would have a really hard time getting something out of the bed of this truck. And to help with this, WOLFBOX actually reached out to us and sent us a retractable bed step to install to make it much easier to access the bed on your truck. We're going to be doing this install on a 2022 F150. This retractable bed step in particular is for a 2021 and up F150. It is a 100% bolt-in installation that's going to make accessing your bed a heck of a lot easier without having to lower the tailgate. And being a truck owner, you know it can be a pain in the butt sometimes getting stuff out of the bed, especially if it's lifted. And this truck isn't even lifted. So if you've got a 3, 4, or 6-inch lift, you could definitely benefit from this retractable bed step. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed and make accessing the bed a heck of a lot easier. If you think this retractable bed step is something that you're interested in for your F-150 or any other truck, I will have a link in the description down below to where you can check this out, and they probably have one for your truck. First thing we have to do is assemble our support bracket and our mounting bracket using the supplied bolts. All right, now this assembly can go in the truck. Okay, we are going to be on the driver's side of the truck, and we're going to be removing this nut here and this nut here on the bumper. These are pretty large 24mm nuts. Next, we got to remove these two 13mm bolts right here. These two bolts will not be reused. All right, now we can install our mounting and support bracket. It's gonna go just like so. I know some people might be worried about, the integrity of this bracket. I've heard some people have had steps on their trucks that have rusted and broken apart. I don't see how this particular one could ever be compromised. This thing is built like an absolute unit. And the way it mounts to the truck with these huge fasteners, I have all the confidence in the world in this thing. This thing is built very well. Now, I will say getting these 3 bolts started was the hardest part of the install. It's just awkward to get your hand up in there and you can't really see anything. But as you can see, this step is very well built. It is an absolute unit. It's rated for 330 pounds and it's designed to have all-weather durability. So you're not going to have a problem with this thing. Whether you live in the desert, the Everglades, or the Northeast and the Rust Belt, this thing is going to last a very long time and be reliable regardless of weather. And the last part of this install is putting the T-bolts into the cast aluminum step so we can attach it to the step mechanism. And that's it for installing this step. As you can see, it was super easy and mounted into factory locations without any drilling, cutting, or welding, and just basic hand tools. This thing was an absolute breeze to install, and pretty much anybody can get this done in their driveway. And man, as beefy as this thing is, it sure does operate super smooth and easy. This thing is so nice. And keeping safety and ease of use in mind, as you can see, this step features a very wide, grippy, textured, non-slip surface, which is just going to make it easier and safer to operate and getting up and out of the truck. And you'll also notice this is a dual layer step, just making it even easier to operate, getting your foot up there to pull it down and push it back up, and making it easier to step up onto the tailgate, or just using this to step up and over your bed.